Good morning, students. This is Indu, your English teacher. Last section, I explained the chapter 5 Sniffle the Crocodiles and Punch the Butterfly. Today, I am going to explain the book exercise regarding this chapter. First, word meaning Swamp, an area of ground that is very wet or covered with water and in which plants and trees grow. Second, sniff, to breathe in air through one's nose hard enough to make a sound. Third, sniveling, crying and complaining in an annoying way. Fifth, hunt, to chase and catch or kill animals. Feeler, one of the two long thin parts on the head of some insects like butterflies which they use to feel and touch things with. Punch, to strike with the fist. Perched, sat or rest. Sobbing, crying noisily, taking sudden sharp breaths. From afar, from far away. Snapped, here opened and shut jaws quickly to bite. Gnashing his teeth, grinding his teeth in anger. Wiping, moving suddenly and quickly. Menacingly, threateningly in a dangerous manner. Took to their heel, ran away. The correct option. First, Sniffle did not want to be a crocodile because option A, he felt that crocodiles were very ugly. Option B, the other crocodile made fun of him. Option C, he was scared of being killed by hunters. The correct answer is option A, he felt that crocodiles were very ugly. Second, Punch wanted to be option A, big and strong. Option B, wise and brave. Option C, rich and beautiful. The correct answer is option A, big and strong. Third, people kill crocodile for their option A, hair. Option B, skin. Option C, bald. The correct answer is option B, skin. Fourth, who told Punch that people caught butterflies and pinned them to a board? Option A, Punch's grand aunt. Option B, Punch's grandfather. Option C, Punch's grandmother. The correct answer is option A, Punch's grand aunt. Fifth, the men shoot at the logs because option A, they were rotten. Option B, they looked like crocodile from afar. They looked like snake from afar. The correct answer is option B, they looked like crocodile from afar. State true or false. First, Sniffles and other crocodiles lived in a swamp. True. Second, Sniffles' mum and dad had to feed him. True. Third, Punch was bright orange in color. False. Fourth, Punch was big and strong. False. Fifth, Sniffles helped to save Punch and other butterflies. True. Answer the following question. First, what was Sniffles' mother tired of? What did she say to Sniffles? Answer, Sniffles' mother was tired of Sniffles always shedding big crocodile tears or going sniff, sniff. She would tell him to stop sniffling and crying. Start behaving like a crocodile. She also told him to go and hunt for his food. Second question, why did the other crocodiles laugh at Sniffle? Sniffle was big and strong. He did not want to kill other animals. Punch was a small and weak. But she called up her feeler and said that she would punch others in their face. They made a very funny prayer. Sniffle swam around with Punch perched on his head. The other crocodiles would laugh and make fun of them. How did the crocodile escape the hunters? The crocodile went deep into the river and left some rotten logs floating on the water. The men shot at the log, which looked like crocodiles from a distance. Fourth, how did the crocodile save the butterflies when the men arrived with nets? Answer, all the crocodiles come to the river bank. The butterflies settle on the head and neck of the crocodiles. A few of the crocodiles made a circle around the men as they came closer. They snapped their jaws. The men became scared and went away. Fifth, Sniffle became proud to be a crocodile. What made him change? Answer, one day Sniffle saw men with nets. He shouted to Punch to warn her when the men arrived. Sniffle was in the front, gnashing his teeth and wiping his tail around most menacingly. He was no longer timid. This incident changed Sniffles as he had acted like a real crocodile. 6. Why do you think Sniffle was given that name? Answer. Sniffle was given that name because he was always shedding big crocodile's tears and sniffling. 7th. Was Sniffle a good friend? Answer. Yes, Sniffle was a good friend. When the men with net arrived, he shouted to warn Punch. He was in front of the other crocodile, gnashing his teeth and wiping his tail. This scared the men and they went away. Sniffle saved Punch and the lives of other butterflies. Dear students, write word meaning and all the book exercise in your classwork copy. For your writing purpose, I share all these pages in PDF.